Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SAFWAN'S Samayal.
Today we are going to make delicious Hariyali chicken. It's a green chicken which needs double marination. Let us start now. For the first marination, add half kg chicken in a mixing bowl. Add half cup thick curd, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well and allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. For the second marination, we need to prepare green paste. For that, add 5 green chilies in a mixer grinder. Add half cup coriander leaves, half cup mint leaves, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 2 fried onions. Grind in a mixie by adding little water. Grind to a smooth paste. Now mix the green paste with the marinated chicken. Mix well and leave it for 45 minutes. For masala, add 2 tablespoons coriander powder in a bowl, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix well and keep aside. Chicken is well marinated after 45 minutes. Now let us cook it. Take oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken and cook in high flame for 5 minutes. Mix in between. Keep the stove in low flame and cook for 10 more minutes. Stir in between. Now add the mixed masala and mix well. Add salt if needed. Mix well. Check whether chicken is cooked. Keep in sim for 5 more minutes. Our yummy and creamy Hariyali chicken is ready. Really, it tastes delicious. Try it out. Transfer to a bowl and serve hot with ghee rice, paratha and chapatis. Thank you for watching this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to SAFWAN'S Samayal.